Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome to the ultimate guide for cooking American Wagyu Ribeye, a truly special cut of beef. Known for its intense marbling, Wagyu offers a flavor profile and tenderness unmatched by most other steaks. You're in for a treat, as this guide will show you how to prepare a restaurant-quality meal right in your own kitchen. It's surprisingly straightforward to achieve delicious results. To start, remove your Wagyu Ribeye from the fridge at least an hour before you plan to cook it. This crucial step lets the meat come closer to room temperature, promoting a more even cook from edge to center. Next, thoroughly pat both sides of the steak dry using paper towels. This helps create that beautiful, crispy crust. Finally, season it very generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper, ensuring every bite is flavorful. Now, let's get cooking. Place a heavy-bottomed skillet, preferably cast iron, over high heat until it's very hot and just begins to smoke. Add a tiny bit of high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed, then carefully lay your seasoned ribeye into the pan. Sear it for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, allowing that beautiful, flavorful crust to develop. This initial sear locks in the juices and creates incredible depth of flavor. Once seared, reduce the heat to medium and continue cooking the steak until it reaches your preferred level of doneness. An instant-read meat thermometer is your best friend here. For a perfect medium rare, aim for an internal temperature of around 125 degrees Fahrenheit. During the final few minutes, you can add some butter, fresh garlic, and a sprig of rosemary or thyme to the pan, basting the steak to infuse it with even more flavor. This final step is absolutely critical. Once your ribeye is cooked, immediately transfer it to a cutting board and let it rest for a full 10 to 15 minutes. This resting period allows all those delicious juices to redistribute throughout the steak, ensuring it stays incredibly moist and tender. When it's ready, slice the ribeye against the grain into thick, beautiful pieces. Serve it warm and prepare to enjoy an unforgettable meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.